Rahim. On behalf of the government and the people of Pakistan, I extend my warmest greetings to President Xi Jinping, the brotherly people of China, and our Chinese friends in Pakistan on the auspicious occasion of the New Year. China's awe-inspiring renaissance stands as one of the defining themes of the 21st century. Over the last many decades, China's remarkable journey of progress and development is a testament to the wisdom and foresight of its visionary leader, President Xi Jinping. For us in Pakistan, China's success story serves as a beacon of inspiration and confidence. Pakistan and China share an enduring bond of friendship, a relationship that has been nurtured from generation to generation. Our close friendly ties, rooted in mutual trust and shared aspirations, have now transformed into a comprehensive strategic partnership. This iron brotherhood continues to be a cornerstone of Pakistan's foreign policy, reflecting the deep respect and admiration our nations hold for each other. The Chinese New Year signifies renewal, transformation, and the promise of new beginnings. Families and friends gather to share traditional meals, exchange gifts, and invite blessings for the year ahead. The year of the snake, a symbol of wisdom and vitality, reminds us of the importance of resilience and collective strength as we take on the challenges and strive for a brighter future. Thanks to our deep and abiding friendship, Pakistan and China stand united in their unwavering commitment to a better world. Together, we shall continue to make meaningful contribution to global peace, prosperity, and harmony. May this year bring good fortune and continued success to our two great nations and further strengthen the unbreakable bonds between our two peoples. Pakistan and China, together for a shared future. Happy New Year.